Hi, I am Monica. I have come across the new idea about learning new vocabulary words and their synonyms while I was doing practice for IELTS reading. Now, my video is learn vocabulary and their synonyms from the questions only. From the questions only. Okay, let's find how we can learn so many words and their synonyms from the IELTS reading only. Yes, now I have taken this test 1 and this is section 2. Let's look at the questions because I have taken the words from the questions only and I have tried to find out their synonyms from the reading passage. I am explaining you the only words which I have found in the reading passage. Okay. For proof, for word is proof and its synonym is evidence. Okay, for education it is academic background, and and the word is and only, as well as. The writer is using the word as well as instead of using and. Okay, this is annual event. Now the next word is annual event. For this the writer is using the word once in a year. You can also use this word in IELTS speaking as well as in IELTS writing. Once in a year instead of saying annual event again and again. Okay, let's move on to the next word. How good you are at selling. How good you are at selling. For this, your sales ability. Your sales ability. They have given, writer has given in the passage. For benefits, it is given perks. Okay, for manager, we can use the word leader, but in the paragraph it is given there like area leader. And for particular store, in the line in the passage it is given one of our shop. In a particular shop, one of our shop. Let's look at the location of these words in the reading passage. Yes, for proof it is evidence here. For and it is as well as. For education it is academic background. For annual event it is once a year. For benefits it is given over here perks. For manager it is area leader. And for a particular store, one of our shops. For a particular store, one of our shops is given. Okay, let's move on to the next. In this way we have learned how many words? Let's find it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Wow, from these questions we have learned 8 words from the reading passage. While doing this reading passage we can learn so many words in this way. Let's move on to the next passage, next paragraph. Hilton Laboratory. Again, this is from the test 1 only. I have taken test 1 only. Let's move on to the questions. Yes. Now in this question, I have taken this word avoid. For avoid, it is given do not enter in the reading passage. Get out easily, it is given access. For access, we can always use the other word get out easily. Okay. For need to check, it is given carefully. And to make task, to do the job. To do the job. You should have. For you should have, it is given make sure. You can use the word make sure you do this, do this. Okay. So here also we have learned 1 2 3 4 5 words we have learned out of this. Let's look at the location of these words. Okay. For what was first was okay. For avoid, this is do not enter. Okay. Carefully, need to check. To do the job, to do the job. For this, to make task. And make sure you should have. Make sure you should have. Okay, let's move on to the next. Okay, I think I have missed out the access. Here is the access word. Yes, may affect the access in the event of a fire. Before coming to the conclusion, always read the full sentence. Then you will come to know this is the synonyms. This is the synonyms for this particular word. Let's move on to the next passage. Okay, now this is section 3. Now this type of questions are list of headings. Okay, match the headings questions are there. Now let's take the words first, which I found it in the reading passage. First one is obstruction. For the obstruction, the writer is using the word obstacle, and for route it is given track. Track is given in the reading passage. I will show you the location of these words in the passage. Let's find it another words. Okay, for obstruction, okay, confusing. For confusing, it is given the long sentence. I'll show you. Okay, for a record, it is given in the first paragraph, a remarkable achievement. For record, it is given a word, a remarkable achievement. For important, it is given vital. Okay, let me show you the location of these words first, then the extra words will be doing. Okay, for a record, it is given in the first A paragraph, a remarkable achievement. For, okay, this is the fill in the blanks. Okay, fine. Now for confusing, the writer has used 2-3 times the words like this raised the question. This raised the question. It means the one who is raising the question, he is confused. He is confused. Even more difficult to understand. Even more difficult to understand. For this word confusing, you can always use the word like words like even more difficult to understand. I know this is the bundle of words for this single word, but doesn't matter. You can use it in your writing as well as in IELTS speaking. For route, it is given migration tracks. For route, you can always find the tracks. It is the synonym of this route, tracks. Okay. Let's move. Let's look at the questions again. Okay. Now we have found 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 words properly we found in the paragraph. But another words you can always find the meaning also. For decrease, we can have the word like decline, decline. Okay. For unknown, we can have the word like we can have synonym like untold, unrevealed. Okay. Okay, different. For different, the synonyms are dissimilar and unlike. Okay, and original aim. For original aim, it is original game or goal or initial goals. Or initial aim, we may find the words like this. These are the synonyms for these words. Like I told you, decrease, decline, unknown, untold and unrevealed. If you do not find the other words in the passage in the passage, you can always look from the dictionary only, or Google, or you can Google it from the net. Okay, always remember, list of headings are always having so many words, and you need to find their vocabulary. Let's move on to the next paragraph for the words. Okay, this is again one word only. Complete the summary below. For experts, the writer is using the word researchers. For young, the writer is using the word juvenile. Okay, now let me show you the location of these words. Here in the B paragraph, the writer is using the word a researcher or expert. Instead of using expert, it is given the word researcher. And for the young, they have given the writer has given the word juvenile. Juvenile means young one. This word, it is very important for IELTS writing topics, essay topics, as well as for speaking topics. Okay. In this way, we have learned at least 18 to 20 words in this test 1 only. I hope you must be liking my videos. Please subscribe my videos and share it. Thank you so much.